Bedsure comforter set. So this is a reversible grid style bedding set that includes a comforter as well as pillow shams. So you can see I've got the white and gray here that can be reversed to change up the look. So this comes in a variety of sizes. I have it on my queen bed. Here's a quick look at the pillowcase. I have a very overstuffed pillow. If you have just a standard, it will work with it great. The grid design, I feel like gives a real elegant, minimalistic touch. Can kind of go with a whole variety of things, especially a college dorm room or anything you want to be a very cozy style den. So it's 100% brushed polyester fabric on it. It's got a 10,512 individual fiber per square centimeter. Really feels cozy against the skin. Durable, can be machine washed, and it's 100% Ecotex certified. Check it out. Really big fan.